Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I'm going to be discussing installing the intake to exhaust manifold for the L-head. So here we have it already bolted together. It's held on with 4 bolts. These are aftermarket manifolds and they are cast, so you may have to make a little bit of a modification if you're afraid that the gasket on the block is not going to take up the gap properly. So what we have here, I have a flat edge. You can see there's a little bit of a gap here. It's not necessarily something that the gasket can't take up, but if you are timid about it, I'll show you how to do this right now. I have a fine file. What we're going to do is on these 4 bolt holes for the exhaust manifold, we're going to take our fine file. We're going to take a little bit off on those mounting holes on all 4 on the upper side because we want this exhaust manifold to drop just ever so slightly. I've got it put back together. Let's test to see how we did. As you can see, it's sitting more flat. The gasket will take up this difference, but again, if you are timid about it, you can make this modification. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.